So this is a pink 10-piece utensil kit, and these are so cute. You can utilize these for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Breast Cancer Awareness Day, which is in October, National Pink Day, gender reveal parties. So these come in handy more than you will think they do. The color is like a pastel, Easter related theme you can do. Everything is completely seamless in the design, so you don't have to worry about like it breaking easy when you're trying to maybe scrub something or get something up. You don't have to worry about when you wash it. A lot of times, if it's not seamless, the food will actually get stuck in the little cracks and crevices. It's so annoying. And sometimes they even, like, I've had ones that actually like pull apart and separate while I'm trying to like clean them, and then I realize that there's like mold in them. It's so disgusting. You don't have to worry about this with these ones because they're completely seamless design. All of them also have little hooks on the top where you can actually hang them on. If you want to hook them on something, you can do that as well. So here is some of the pieces here. That one, here's a spatula. Here's the spoon for scooping, or like, let's say you're doing punch or some type of soup or broth. It's nice and deep there. Here's another design for a spatula. The other one had the little slits in it like this, and then this one does not. So this would be my go-to for my cookies that I love. And here is the tongs. Tongs is a major one to look at because of the clamping mechanism. But as you see, pull it out, nice click, you can hear it. So works great. And they're actually very long, and they do have a little bit of dip in here if you're using them for, let's say, like a salad to mix it up or something like that. Obviously it serves multi-purpose. And here is a whisk, and it also has the hook right here. You have your skimmer right here. You have your brush, your little spoon type spatula, and the actual spatula. Last but not least, the pasta server. So the design is great, and I love the color. So thanks for the company for sending me this to check out and review.